Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to choose a template with a standard format on the Google Slides application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Now tap on the plus icon down below in the right corner of the screen. Then select the first option, choose template. Here you are going to see a bunch of templates organized into categories such as education, work, personal, and so on. So here you are ready to choose from a standard format according to that certain type of slide that you want to make. So if you have chosen the one that suits your preferences, just simply tap on the relevant one and then you will be able to see this template that you can customize to your preferences. So here you have a layout of the presentation, and you can change it by simply tapping on the relevant part of it, and then you can delete the title, add your own title, and so on. So you need to proceed with these slides. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.